Hey, what's up guys? My name's St. Jamie. We're back with another YouTube video. Hey, what's up guys? How's it going? So today I'm gonna be doing another Temu unboxing review. Before we get into it, remember to check out the description below. It has all my social media. Go follow me everywhere. And so I think I'm a little, let's just get started, okay? First, if you don't know about this company, it's kind of like Wish. If you guys know what the Wish app is, it's kind of like that. It's a little, I don't know, it's kind of like, it's like cheap products for cheap price, you know. They say it's high quality, but usually this stuff is pretty cheap because everything in here I spent like $1 on each product, okay? Like $3 max, okay? But somehow $30 worth of stuff is in this little small thing. So I'm a little confused. So yeah, I'm a little confused because this is it. So we're gonna see what I got for 30 bucks. All right. I'm so excited. I love unboxing stuff. All right, let's go. All right. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna start with some, Topper's over here being like, what are you doing, Dad? What up, Topper? You wanna say hi? Come here. Come here and say hi to the video. Here's Topper. It's bedtime. So he's like, what is Dad doing up filming when it's bedtime? Say hi to the video. Hi guys, my name's Topper. I'm hanging out. Wee. All right, love you. Go back to bed. All right. So let's start with this. Okay, so I got one of these things. So I'm gonna use this in my car. If it works. So then I can listen to the aux and I can plug in my phone and get it charged. I used to have one of these before. I'm pretty excited. So yeah, first of all, the box, like very horrible. Like it's just kind of broken. It looks like someone sat on it. So I don't think this is gonna work. So if it does, I'm gonna be pretty impressed. This is the packaging. Wow. This is really, really small. Like I had one of these before, like I bought it at Walmart, and they were pretty big. Like this is like very small, so I don't think it's gonna work, or it might work like 1 or 2 times. But we'll see. I'll try this out like one of these days. But I mean, it was only $1, so can't really expect much. Even if it works like 2 times, that's worth $1. So yeah, we got this. Unboxing. Let's see what I get. Let's see what I get. Dude, I am super excited for this. Actually, I'm gonna do this one last. My bad. So let's just get everything out of the box. Wow. Is that everything? Okay, that's everything. Okay, so we got this. I'm actually pretty excited for this. So I got this. And what it is like a mouthpiece. Like I chew it and like get better jaw. This is my jaw right now. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I do have a good jawline already, so. But you can always get a better one, right? If I know how to open this. Nope, got it. Got it open finally. I'm gonna try it. I probably should wash it beforehand, but who cares? Wow. I might use this like when I watch TV, just work my jaw. I don't know if this is gonna. I mean, I feel like it should work, right? It's like eating, so I think that's pretty cool. I've seen like some TikTok like ads about these kind of stuff, so I got one for like $1. Cool. Oh, another chain. Another chain. So what is this chain? This one's. It's just gold. That's it. It doesn't say what size or anything like that. This one kind of looks very ugly, I'm not gonna lie. This one looks very ugly. Definitely would not wear this one. Or maybe, I don't know. Let's see. Let me try it on. Oh, oh my God, is it even gonna fit? This is gonna be like a choker. This is gonna be a choker. Maybe this is like a kink in the bedroom. I'm so goofy. Damn, is this even gonna fit? Well, it's gonna fit, but like barely. Let's just see how it looks. I'm not gonna put it on. I'm just gonna, wow. Bling bling, bruh. Wow, this is very small. Okay, I'm actually gonna put it on. Now I want to. Okay. Okay, nope, not gonna put it on. This is very small. So, the chain that I kept putting on myself is actually meant for Topper. So let's try it on him. This is definitely gonna be way too big. Maybe when he gets older though, but let's try it on. Come here, Top. Maybe it'll fit. No, it's gonna be too big. Let's try it on you, buddy. Look at my little gangster dog. It actually fits him. Hey, buddy, you got your little chain. Aw, it's so cute. That is so cute. I love you. Look how cute he is. Side view, other side view. Yeah. Good boy. He's tired. I just woke him up to be in the video for 2 seconds. You can go back to bed, buddy. But yeah, it looks cute. All right, so now, so I got this for Topper. Okay, so this is a small. I don't think it's gonna fit him now, obviously. Oh, it's so cute. It's definitely not gonna fit him. No, it's definitely not gonna fit him now. But he's obviously supposed to get bigger. So maybe next year. If it doesn't fit him, it would definitely fit Polo or Molly. Oh, it definitely fit Polo. This will definitely fit Polo. So if it doesn't fit Topper, because I don't know how big he's supposed to get. He's a mini Aussie. But yeah, this is so cute. Oh my God, it's so cute. Now I got 2 panties. 2 pants. This one, green, favorite color, yay. But I want to see it. Does it say anything? No. It does. Everything, any kind of pants size I get is smalls. I'm just telling you guys. Wow, these are cute. So the one thing I don't like about these, but like I knew before I got them, is they don't have zipper pockets. I love my zipper pockets, okay? But I'm not gonna lie, this one does feel more heavy duty. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna try it on for you right now. All right, here they are. This is them. This is the back. Yeah, this is them. So, the material, I think my head's cut off. So, the material on these, I feel like are pretty good. Like they feel good. Like they're not as thin, they're pretty thick. I would say like I would buy this at like Walmart, these pants at like Walmart, you know. The one thing I don't like is the pockets. They're pretty small. Maybe this is meant for kids, like because they're baby pockets. Let me put like my phone case in my pocket. I mean, my phone fits, but like you can still see. I don't know if you can see it, but you can still see the tip right there. So, yeah, it fits my phone. But I'll probably wear this. I'll wear these. 100% I'll wear these. So those are this one. I would give it a 5 out of 10. I'm probably gonna wear these to my ninja gym that I work out at. I don't obviously like carry my phone there, so I enjoy these. I don't think I would wear this on a run because when I go on a run, I usually like my zip-up pockets with my phone in my pocket with my headphones on, you know. Or if I go on a walk, or if I go hang out, like it's a day I'm gonna hang out, go to the park, or go longboarding. No, 100%, I would not wear these. I would strictly wear these like the gym I go to, the ninja gym I go to. I strictly don't have anything in my pocket. I'm just there to work out. 100% I'll wear these there. Or around the house. Those are the two places I'm gonna wear these. So I'll give it a 5 out of 10. I don't think these are. I forgot how much money. If it was $5 or under, I don't think it was a waste. If I spent $10 or above on these, yes, it's a waste. But yeah. So now we're gonna try these ones. I think these are the exact same ones, just different color. So yeah, let me open these. More of a khaki color. So here's these. Well, wait, are they different? Oh, wait, no, they are different. They are different. Wait, let me see the pockets. Oh! Whoa! Zip up pockets. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Zip up pockets. Wow. Oh my god, I'm falling in love. Zip up pockets, guys. So I like this khaki look. Very, very cute. I think the one thing I don't really like is that I don't really like that V look right here where it's like cut to V. I feel like that's very, very feminine, you know. Maybe these are girls. I don't know. Me over here talking about that. Oh my god, toxic masculinity now. Okay. No, my thing is like I don't know. I don't need to be showing off too much leg if you know what I mean. Okay, can't be too scandalous. So I don't really like that. But it does have zip up pockets, and I like the color. So oh, does it have a logo? Oh, I thought that was like the Nike logo. I was like, damn boy. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna try these on now. All right. So here's these. Get a good look. Oh yeah. Oh my god. I should be a model. Look at this. They're actually pretty short. I mean, I've been trying to wear more shorter shorts, you know, trying to actually wear stuff that like fit me. I used to wear shorts that like go down to there. Uh yeah, I used to be like a like cool, you know, like swag and put my pants down. But I've been wearing clothes more my size. Oh, sorry, Topper. But yeah, these are pretty short. Actually, they're very short. They're very short. Damn, where did I get this? In like the toddler section? Probably. But yeah, they have zip up pockets. But if I put my phone in it, if I put some, oh, right now it looks good, but I do think like if you see that, you see, I feel like when my phone, because obviously I have my phone case without my phone because my phone's recording. So with more weight, my pocket might show a little, and that right there I feel like is really gross. Like I get the ick when I see that stuff. But I mean, this right here, if the pocket like goes more like this, I won't wear it out in public. So I'll check it out when I put my phone in it. But 100%, if this was $8 and under, I think that's a good price. But if this was like $8 and above, no, I wouldn't have bought these. Like I would think I would kind of regret it because that's a lot of money for that. When 100%, I would wear these around the house, you know. So I'd wear these bedtime around the house on my day off. It does have zip up pockets, so if like I said, if my phone doesn't weigh it down, because these are pretty short, like I usually go right above the knee. Like above the knee, I've been kind of letting myself wear shorts like that. You know, I'm going out of my comfort. I used to wear clothes that are like at the knee, but now I'm wearing above the knee. You know, trying to show a little bit more skin. But these, like, I mean, these are showing my sexy ass boulder thighs. Do you not see? It's like way above the knee. Like my whole thigh. Like, do you not see how short these are? These are very short. But maybe I'll wear these to my ninja class. But I do think these are really, really short. Like I feel like, I don't know. There's just a lot of manly man there, and like these shorts are gonna make me even look gayer than I already look. So we'll see about that. But these are really cute. I do really like these. I don't have these kind of colors, so I'm trying my best to get like different kind of colors. I'm trying to be more kapow. Yeah. Okay, so this is the last thing that I'm very, very excited about. Boom. I don't know if you can see it, but it is a microphone, okay? All right, guys. Here. Yeah, really okay. I don't understand how to wear this. All right, guys, can you guys hear me? I'm actually gonna go to the bathroom. I'm gonna shut the door, and then I'm gonna talk, and I'm gonna see if this actually works. I hope this sounds pretty good. Yeah, let's go. All right, guys, walking into the bathroom now. All right, gonna shut the door. Gotta turn on the light so I don't get scared in here. All right. Oh, damn, these shorts actually look good now. Hey, oh wow, look at that ass. I look good. Yeah, yeah. Um, yeah. Don't put a mirror in front of me because I cannot stop looking at this handsome fellow in the mirror. All right, let's see if that worked. So yeah, I'm back. Oh, Topper, what up, my boy? So I'm back. Hopefully that worked because this thing's really cute. Oh, I hope this really works. I'm gonna get my dog. My dog's gonna say goodbye with all of us. Hey, Topper. Topper's just ready for bed. Usually he's the one keeping me up at night. Um, but now I'm keeping him up. Sorry, buddy. I know. You should be to bed by now. I know. You want to say anything to the camera? I love you, my man. Yes, you're such a good boy, aren't you? Mm, mm. So yeah, this is Topper, and I think Topper's ready for bed. So Topper and I are gonna. Oh my god, I might do some ASMR. Ooh, do you guys want to hear some ASMR? You know how annoying this will be if this doesn't work at all and the whole thing's just mute and I just wasted like 30 minutes of talking to the camera? Yeah, that would suck. I'd probably get a little mad and then it would be up for longer and Topper would not be happy. All right, so, and I'm starting to like that scandalous look. Come on. Ooh, Clayton getting scandalous now. I don't know for sure, but I'm starting to like it. Okay. I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe, like, comment if you like these videos because I already have another package on the way. So next week I'll definitely make another video because I've been buying things like crazy. And I think the next package is even more money. So there's more stuff. That's what I'm freaking talking about, though. But yeah, I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Check out the social media down below. And yeah, bye. I gotta go to bed now, bruh. And my new panties. Hey.